Hi, I'm Joshua Paul with SampleServe. I'm going to show you how to go from starting an account on SampleServe.com to getting analytical data tables. So let's get right into it. Here at SampleServe.com, we're going to go to Sign In. We're going to sign up for a new account at the bottom here. Here, I'm going to create a new account. And we're going to choose consulting company. We're going to come up with a quick name for our consulting company. Now we have a new workspace. We're going to tell them who our name is. We're going to give them our phone number. And here we're going to skip the tutorial because we're on a time limit here. We can see here we have a demo site already uploaded that we can go into and mess around with. But we're not going to do that. We're going to start with a new project. So this new project is going to be called JP Analytical Demo. I may not have spelled that right. We're only going to give them the required information right now. We can change all of this later. We're going to grab our two media types, soil and groundwater. We're going to skip the tutorial. You can do that later. And under here, we have options to upload our project data. We can upload our site maps, and we can upload sample sites. We're going to start with lab data. Let me skip through these tutorials. They're everywhere. Lab Data Easy Importer. So you can either download a sample CSV and manipulate your own files and drag and drop them. But because our file is not formatted the way it should be, we're going to click Easy Importer here. We have a analysis file that we're going to drag and drop here from a laboratory. We're going to click the header that we want to use the connecting header names for, so it's already connected it. Click Continue. We're going to connect our headers now. So cast number, results, fractions, chemical fraction, reporting detection limit, system location code, that's going to be our location ID, our X coordinate, these are GPS locations, X coordinate is going to be longitude, Y coordinate is going to be latitude. Our start depth is going to be depth top. Our end depth is going to be depth bottom. And our matrix code, this is our media. We can see all of our values here on the right when we hover it. So this is our media type. Now, some of these will be unmatched. We'll just have to go in and change our value. So your value, if it's empty, you can grab here. It can be either groundwater or soil. It doesn't matter. And then with our fraction limit, we can also empty. It can be total or dissolved. Doesn't matter. Now that we have all of our column headers matching the format headers, we can continue. Your file may have more columns than what our format needs. These will be at the bottom. You don't need to bring them up. They'll be saved in the original file. You can access it anytime. So we'll hit continue. It's thinking. Now we'll make sure that all of our column headers are correct. These will be highlighted in red saying that, hey, these don't exist yet, but it's going to create it once we hit save and continue. So now that we have our file uploaded, it shows up here. We can download our original file, or we can download our formatted file. Now that our information is all downloaded, we can go to Site Info. And we can see here that all of our soil boring locations are already uploaded, along with our well sites. Now let's head up to Reports, down to Analytical Data Tables, select our date, select our locations, comparison criteria, and our substances. And just like that, Analytical Data Tables. Keep in mind, all of this is free for anybody to do. SampleServe only charges for reports for ongoing samples taken using the SampleServe Sample ENV Environmental Project Management Tool. Create your free account. You can get going anytime. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.